Yo, big shout out to everybody who sends anything to the PO box. Thank you for the hat, thank you for the shifted bushing, for the linkage, and thank you for the generous donation. I am trying to get back in my groove with work here in the garage. And you guys just saw we did a lot of suspension components, a lot of new stuff. We haven't fully installed everything just yet, but we have a lot of the big stuff and the main items out of the garage installed onto the car lightly, because we still need to do some adjusting. But we're making a ton of progress, guys, back here in the garage, and it is looking really good. I think the next couple of videos, I'm just going to put in the work and record it for you guys. Don't want to talk too much. I just want to get as much done so we can get to the fun part of the build. And again, just making progress, more progress, instead of spending more time trying to explain everything, because all these builds are pretty much the same. You guys have seen it on the channel. Me personally, I am hanging in there. My dad's funeral is coming up here real soon, guys, and I just want to say big thank you to everybody who has donated to the GoFundMe. It's gonna help me and my family a lot to lay my dad to rest. We just did our 7-day ceremonial at the temple, did all the prayers and everything, and I think my brothers just finalized a date for the funeral, so we got to go through that process here real soon. I'm just back here in the garage wrenching away because I just need to get my mind focused and really just keep me busy. I've been cooped up in my room for the last 9 days now, and I just needed to get out of there. Also, big shout out to everybody who helped share the GoFundMe campaign through Instagram, through Facebook, and I've actually seen it on YouTube as well too. It's crazy. You guys' support is super unreal, and you know, from the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate it. I don't know how to express it to you guys, but just know that me and my family, we truly appreciate you guys' support. Like I mentioned, I'm trying to get back with the work program with the car, and I got some things laid out for this week. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you guys want to see more progress on the car, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.